the closet.
Now, would you put all your favorite things in the closet? Look, here, that's the same color as you have. I don't know.
You want a top?
You're welcome. Where's your top? Over here?
Doesn't work.
There you go.
B, press it down.
Oh, my hands are gone.
Your hands are gone. Your hands are gone.
Hands are gone.
Yeah. Can I trace your thing? I really want to read it. Can I? Sure, it's a closet. Yeah. I want to make a closet too. But make sure not to color on it. You can color on it, but make sure not on the stickers. Because I found them nice.
Well,
Trace it. Aren't you?
whatever.
A little on the edges, but that's okay, right? Yeah.
It is too sweet.
I
You did it?
do this. Yeah.
You're not having any carpet?
Right.
All purple gravy. I'm going to strain it.
You need to color it